हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। और आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया दो स्टॉक। वन इज बीईपीएल एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज मैजडॉक। सो लेट्स सी हाउ these two stocks are looking on the chart. So this is the daily chart of BEPL, and if you look at the chart, then we can see like the stock was actually trading in the consolidation base from past 3 to 4 weeks, almost 4th of September, 4th, 5th of September. The index has witnessed selling pressure, or we can say index has witnessed profit booking. And after that, it has also breached its support level of 21 DMA and 50 DMA as well. But recently, from the past 3 days, almost 8th of October or 7th of October, the stock has got support near its 100 DMA. ये जो line दिख रहा है हरा वाला, that is 100 DMA. And from that level, the index has witnessed some buying interest, और वहां से किसको बाउंस बैक मिला है स्टॉक को। और आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में द स्टॉक हैज रिक्लेम्ड इट्स 50 DMA विथ अबव एवरेज वॉल्यूम। अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम देख सकते हैं। Or if you talk about its APS strength, then its APS strength is 77, and its buyer demand is A minus. And also the number of funds holding that has increased here is 17.39% in the last quarter. The next stock is MAZDOC. So MAZDOC was also trading with consolidation, or we can say correction pattern, or it has also witnessed profit booking, especially from the higher level from July 8th or 5th of July onwards, when the index has hit the high around 5,860. And after that, the index has witnessed continuously profit booking, or there was selling pressure has taken place. And after that, from the past 3 days, if you look at the chart, then index has witnessed some buying interest, and stock has also gained its 100 DMA with reclaimed its 100 DMA with above average volume. And if you look at its APS strength is 97, and its buyer demand is A minus. And if you look at the number of funds holding increment, it has increased to 15.48% in the last quarter. So आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं next day with another chart and another stock. So thank you so much for watching the video.